Okay, so for this activity, it's kind of like if you guys remember the one Mathia where you had to translate horizontal, vertical, dilate, and reflect, and you had to put certain things places. So we're dealing with parabolas though. So if I have x squared, if I want to move it up or down, so let's say I wanted to move it up 3, I would put x squared plus 3. If I wanted to move it down 3, I would do x squared minus 3. So it would go on the outside. If I wanted to move it left or right, that's where this gets a little difficult. And again, this is a discovery piece, so come with questions Monday if you're confused, or email me. So left or right, you have to have something inside the parentheses. So what you would do for this one, if obviously x squared is our basic one, you would have to do, if I wanted to move, let's say I wanted to move right 3, you would have to do x and then minus 3 and then square it. That will move you right 3. It's the opposite. And then if I wanted to move left 3, I would do x plus 3 in parentheses and then put the squared here. So you still have to have the squared in there so we know that it's a parabola, but that's kind of how that part will work. Again, this is a lot like the Mathia that we've done before. And then if I want to do, sorry, I'm trying to find the eraser. Erase. Okay. And then again, if you've done this Mathia before, if you want to dilate, you're going to discover here what whole numbers and what fractions will do for you. So, but for a dilation, you need to put a number outside the x squared. So like 2 or 1/2 x squared, that'll help dilate it. That'll help it make it skinnier or more wide. And that's something you're going to discover yourself. I'm not going to tell you which number is going to do what. And then finally, if you want to reflect, you're just going to put a negative outside that x squared. So that should be a good basis to kind of help you guys as to what you have to do for that Mathia. Or not Mathia, I'm sorry, that Desmos activity.